Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I agree with my colleague, Mr. Bacchus, and I disagree with my colleague, Mr. Garrett. I think it should be the policy of this government to try to help middle-class folks get into homes. About the only good news for the American middle class is a home ownership rate. Wages aren't keeping up with inflation. We have a slightly negative savings rate, but almost 70% of American families own their own homes. And for most American families, the deed to a home is the membership card in the middle class. It is also the most important investment they will ever make. It becomes the bulk of their life savings. That the equity they build in their home by faithfully paying a mortgage month after month becomes the bulk of their life savings. Subprime lending is not really about helping folks get into loans. More than half of subprime loans are not loans to purchase homes with. They're refinances. They're helping people who've gotten behind, who've had life's rainy days. Only about 1 in 10 subprime loans are to help first-time buyers. It is not about helping people get into home ownership. It is people who have had life's rainy days. Someone in the family got sick. Someone lost their job. They went through a divorce. They had to repair their home. They got in over their heads in credit card debt. They needed to borrow money against their home. That is the bulk of what we're talking about. And the mortgages they're entering are frequently mortgages they can't possibly pay back. They might be able to pay a teaser rate. They can't possibly pay the mortgage back. The bankruptcy laws have long been intended to help give people a fresh start. And we see that in business. It seems almost cynical. It is cynical the way many businesses take a quick dip into bankruptcy and high net worth individuals, what we call in North Carolina rich folks. They can go into bankruptcy. They can shirk their obligations that they entered with their eyes wide open, with plenty of advice from lawyers and accountants and financial planners and actuaries and any other kind of advice they get. And they can rewrite all of those obligations. They can rewrite their pension obligations. They can rewrite their health care obligations for employees. They can rewrite their debt. They can rewrite their union contracts. They can get a fresh start. And usually after they come out of bankruptcy, the top executives all pat themselves on the back for their good work by giving themselves a nice bonus. But for the American homeowner, they can't get a mortgage obligation rewritten in bankruptcy. They used to be able to, but just in the last 3 years, when Congress changed the bankruptcy laws, they said bankruptcy judges could not rewrite loans, could not rewrite mortgages. American homeowners, the American middle class, need someone on their side. American business has someone on their side. The American homeowners need someone on their side. They need Congress on their side, and I hope we will be.